Just got in my GPR V5 Stabilizer from Cycle Gear, and I'm going to install it on my K8 GSX R1000. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to use this T-hex number 6 to remove this bolt. I've gone ahead and removed it already. And then I need to take off this screw here, which I have the size 36 for that. Just make sure you're holding onto the steering wheel. And once you loosen it, you should be able to just unscrew it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the mount and we're going to put the screw back on. You just gotta make sure this part here is even and the arrow's facing this angle. Now we're gonna tighten it. Okay. Now we're going to grab this piece here, and we are going to put it in here. Alright, so I've gone ahead and mounted the stabilizer. So you have these two bolts that you'll have to screw in once it's in position, in addition to this one here and the side one. So I am using the T-hex 3/16 size. Alright, so everything is secured. This is pretty much it. Strongly recommended. The reason I bought it was an added safety feature for the speed wobble, especially when going at higher speeds. Not saying that I do or condone it, but again, I recommend it to any motorcyclist for any motorcycle. Here's the black one. I hope you enjoyed the video and have an amazing day.